I'm blaming that game on one person and one person only. Marcus Peters. Barbecue chicken.
Barbecue chicken alert. Barbecue chicken alert.
3 touchdowns scored on. Nothing else to it. You can't let that happen.
Honestly, he got cooked.
Like 3 touchdowns is kind of disrespectful. 2, they liked what they saw and they came back for more. 3, at that point, they came back for more and then double dipped on some more. That's just disrespect.
Yeah, he's cooked.
Your ass.
Marcus Peters is cooked. That Ravens defense, like I said, has been the problem. Lamar can only do so much, man.
You watched the whole clip. You still didn't follow us? That's fucking nasty, yo.